Hi, so this video is regarding how to check the ink level in your HP 3830 OfficeJet all-in-one printer. For that, first thing is just switch on the printer, and once you switch it on, just go on its touch screen, and we are going to see the details there. Now you can see this touch screen here, it has some icons at the bottom. So if you see this drop like icon, that is actually for the ink level. Just press on that, and it says the details about the first is like for the tricolor, that is the color cartridge. It says how much estimated ink level is there, and the second one is actually for the black, and it says how much ink is left in your black cartridge. Once you see the details, if you want to replace it, if you see it's about to finish, then you can replace it, otherwise you can continue use it. Just press OK and you're back to the normal screen. Thanks for watching.